Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.